Hi everyone, I and Emma are going to help you learn how to use have you ever in an English question and also how to answer these kind of questions today. So don't go anywhere. Hi Emma, how are you today? Well, how are you? I'm great, thanks. Hi everyone. As I said earlier, we are going to learn today how to use have you ever in a question. Do you know how to form this question, Emma? Yes, we use have you ever plus the past participle of the verb. For example, have you ever ridden a camel? Another one, have you ever swum in the Dead Sea? Well done, Emma. We use have you ever plus the past participle of the verb. Can you explain us how to answer this question? Sure, Emma. We use the past simple in the answer as we talk about an experience that started and finished in the past. For example, have you ever screamed in public? Yes, I have. I screamed in public when I broke my leg last year. As you can see here, I'm talking about something started and finished last year. So let's do an exercise together. I'm going to ask you some questions and you're going to answer according to your experience. Okay, I'm ready. Have you ever fallen downstairs? No, I haven't, but my sister fallen downstairs when she was 7. Have you ever received a gift you didn't like? Yes, I have. Once my aunt brought me a t-shirt I didn't like and I returned it back to the shop. Have you ever forgotten someone's birthday? Yes, I have. I forgot my friend's birthday last week, but I invited her for dinner the next day. That's so sweet of you. Have you ever been to Thailand? No, I haven't. Have you ever fallen asleep in class or at work? Yes, I have. I fell asleep in the history class when I was in high school. Have you ever been in a car accident? No, I haven't, but I witnessed a car accident last month. Did someone die? Yes, one of them died. That's so sad. Have you ever burnt your hand while cooking? Yes, I have. Actually, I burnt my hand yesterday while I was making pasta. Oh, I'm sorry. Are you better now? Yes, I'm better, thanks. Have you ever sung in public? I have. I sang in the street after I received good news last year. Have you ever won a prize? Yes, I have. I won a prize because I got the full mark in Spanish test last month. Oh, congratulations. Thank you. Have you ever talked on the phone for more than 1 or 2 hours? Yes, I have. I talked on the phone with my friend for more than an hour last Saturday as she had a serious problem. Have you ever gotten lost? Yes, I have. I got lost when I was in Paris last year. Have you ever played the guitar? Yes, I have. I tried to play it in high school, but I didn't like it. Have you ever been locked out of your house? Yes, I have. I was locked out of the house for 2 hours 5 years ago because I forgot my keys. And how did you manage to get in the house? I waited until my mom came back and opened the door. Have you ever danced in front of the mirror? No, I haven't. Have you ever cheated while playing a game? Yes, I have. I did that when I was young as I wasn't good at playing cards. Have you ever felt lonely? No, I haven't as I have many friends. Have you ever witnessed a crime? Yes, I have. Some years ago, I saw a thief trying to rob a woman in the street, and I warned her. Great, you're very brave, Emma. Have you ever tried Japanese food? Yes, I have. I tried it last Monday, and it was delicious. Have you ever lived in another country? Yes, I have. I lived in London for 3 years. Have you ever ridden a skateboard? Yes, I have. I rode one when I was younger. And what about you? Let us know your answers in the comments below. To help you practice more, let's watch a short video. It's great to see you. Have you been in New Orleans long? No, not really. Just a week. I can't wait to show you the city. Have you ever been to a jazz club here? Yes, I have. I went to one yesterday. Oh, well, how about a riverboat? Have you ever done that in New Orleans? Actually, I did that too. Have you ever ridden a streetcar here? Yes, that's how I got here today. Well, is there anything you want to do? I really want to take it easy. My feet are killing me. Well, that's the end of the lesson. Thank you, Emma. Thank you. Thank you all for watching. I hope you learned how to use have you ever in an English question. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell and share the video with your friends. See you next time.